So again to the login page, login, go to this is the experiment. So virtual enable flash reader, allow, next. So what is that? See here actually what they told, underline the effect of the atrial pressure of the substances like the adrenaline, atropine and acetylcholine. All the drug it is given the intraperitoneal IV route, through IV route, and we are checking the atrial pressure to the graphical surface. So technique. So this is the, to isolate the carotid artery of the dog, connected with the Lewis manometer in order to measure the arterial pressure, and isolate the sesamoid vein and introduce the catheter for the lateral administration of the mentioned substances. That means arterial pressure we are going to check through the Lewis manometer, and the drug it will be injected through the saphenous vein. So see what is there. Experimental moments, record the normal pressure and valve, observe the series of waves, that means deflection, that stand the physiological variation in the blood pressure. First degree wave, smallest type, induced by the cathetic systole and diastolic pressure. Second wave, synchronized with the respiratory movement, observe how the pressure decreased during the inspiration and increased during the expiration. Third degree wave, induced the periodical variation of the vascular tonus, with the pressure increased during the vasoconstriction and decreased during the vasodilation. So let's see. So give the acetylcholine intravenously, witness a decrease into the atrial pressure. So first we'll see the practical session, then next we'll come back. So inject it. So after giving the atropine, you can find the responses. Clear? You can find the response. So okay, wash out. Next we'll see the acetylcholine. So give the acetylcholine. See. Next again adrenaline. See, after giving the adrenaline, this is the response. So that we need to record it. Now coming back to again here. For example, adrenaline, whenever we are giving the intravenously, it produces the major hypertension. Already we have seen that hypertension it is produced, and the oscilloscopic indicator are high due to the parasympathetic regulator of the hypotensive mechanism. In case of the atropine, again intravenously, observe the atrial pressure increase following the stopping of the parasympathetic nervous system. Being atropine is a parasympatholytic substance, that means adrenergic system, it is blocking the M2 receptor, so there is increase into the pressure. Acetylcholine intravenously, decrease into the atrial pressure, again because you can say that M2 receptor is there. M2 receptor it is present into the heart, and it may produce the decrease into the blood pressure. clear. So this is the different activity we can observe after the drug. So of course there is a many drugs we can give, and we can check the heart rate also. Of course in this practical it is not there, so that we are going to discuss into the result and discussion section. Okay, so you can do this experiment, try it and find the effect and correlate with their activity.